Hey guys, it is Info Girl. So today we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. So I'm bringing you guys a lender by the name of Citi. Now, Citi has these credit cards with Costco that you could be approved for. The good thing about these credit cards is that you can earn cashback rewards on everyday purchases. Now, they have the Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi. Now, with this credit card, they do offer 4% cash back on eligible gas and EV charging for the first $7,000 per year. And then after that, it will be 1%. They also offer 3% on restaurants and eligible travel. Now, in order to be able to be approved for this credit card, I do recommend at least having a 676 credit score and above. And they do offer a limit as high as $12,500, but you can see an increase after 6 months of making your payments on time. Now, the APR for this credit card is roughly around 20%, but that is also based on credit worthiness. Now, they have their second Costco Anywhere Visa Business Credit Card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is that they do offer 2% on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com, and they also offer 1% on all other purchases. Now, in order to be approved for this credit card, again, you must have a 670 credit score and above, but I will really say a 700 credit score to be able to be approved for this credit card. Now, they have a credit limit as high as $25,000 that you could be approved for, and you can get a credit limit increase after 6 months of making your payments on time. Now, in order to get both of these credit cards, you must be a Costco wholesale member, and you can sign up for a Costco account. They do have two options for these accounts, which are the Gold Star membership, new sign up, which is $60 a year. And then they also have the Executive Gold Star membership, new sign up, which is $120 a year. So it's very cheap to get this account and to get started, and very easy to get approved for this credit card. With this credit card, there is a instant approval whether you have been approved or denied. Again, you can get 4% back on eligible gas, electric vehicles, 3% back on restaurants, 2% cashbacks on all other purchases, and 1% cashbacks on purchase on all other purchases. Now, when you go to sign up, you must have your membership ID number and put that into place, and then they ask you the basic information. And if you have the credit score of 676 and above, you could be approved for this credit card. Now, as you guys see, the APR for this card is 20.49%. The APR for balance transfers is 20.49%. APR for cash advances is 29.99%. So this could be a good card, especially if you are a Costco member. So if you guys are looking for a credit limit up to $30,000, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.